Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see one more product unboxing, and that one is a JBL 120 Party Box. No, that one is a...
There you go again, looking so handsome.
Uncage your inner rock star.
JBL wireless mic to deliver my voice to thousands of people. So using this mic, I can very easily reach thousands of people. Purchase this product from here, local electronic store name is Power, and the product price is just only 1000 Danish krona. Link is available on video description. Speciality of this microphone is if you charge once, so 20 hours continuously speak and 12 hours power battery they are providing. Now we'll see unboxing inside the box, which types of mic we are receiving, really look like this or not. Now this is unboxing. Already broken the box, so that's why I just simply open it. Yes, just look at this, the mic. One, mic two, and inside the box they are providing, the box is empty. Inside the box just magic booklet and so on, how to use it, this one. So this is a 3 gadget we are receiving inside the box. This one is a connector for the JBL mic, so I connect here in the back side. So look at this here, this is a connector of this JBL mic. So if you have JBL mic, so here 2 options is available. If you connect this one, so now is guitar is connected. If you doing this one on off, you can consider on off, like this way guitar, this way mic, and just after that you connect this one, and look at this, the voice is receiving amazing quality. So look at this, this is the mic 1 as consider, and this is the mic 2 you consider, and now this is my voice. If I speak now, so multiple people can receive my voice very nicely. This is beauty of PartyBox wireless mic. If you want purchase this mic, link is available on video description. If you have any question, you can ask me on comment section. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.